Hello YouTubers, me123 Expert Boy here again. It is finally spring and the grass is growing. I'm not gonna make a mowing video because it'd be kind of stupid because it's still patchy in areas. But front yard needs it and I'm just gonna trim this up. But I have not touched this all winter and since last fall. That is literally the first time that I put the key in. So let's see if I got enough gas and oil. Go from there. Alright, oil's in a good enough spot. Gas is good, oil's full. Alright, let's make sure I got enough cranking power. Ooh, maybe. Alright. No fuel stabilizer in there. I was lazy and I completely forgot to do it during the fall. Anyway, let's see if I can get this thing to start up. Might take a few cranks. See what I can do here. Alright, you get to see my pantlet. Enjoy that. Cut some grass. First video of the season, first startup of the season. I forgot to show that it was cold, but you're just gonna have to trust me.